this tutorial, I'm going to use Adobe Photoshop CC. Right now, I have the 2019 version, but you can use the later version. So let's proceed. In order to convert this blue button into CSS, all you have to do is select the button name, and then you can see it on the layers panel. And then all you have to do is select it and then right click, and then there's an option to copy the CSS. Then open your editor, and then I will paste the code. So as you can see, this is the name of the button, round rectangle 8 copy 5, and then the background color, it shows you the RGB properties, so it's already taken care of. Position absolute, you can change this later if you want. And then left is 850 pixels because right now, as you can see, this button is positioned at 850 pixels from the left. You can just adjust the left, the top, the width, and the height, and the Z index according to where you are going to place the buttons. So there you go. That's how easy it is to convert a PSD button into a CSS code.